Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to tell you why I was entirely wrong about harvest hose. Stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is RV East Coast. My name is Eli, and if this is your first time checking out our channel, we do campground reviews, trip ideas, family-oriented trip ideas. So if you like this video, consider subscribing and give us a little bit of love in the form of likes and comments. So a while ago, we said in one of our videos that we didn't think that harvest hose was a good idea for us. We did say it was a great program, but it wasn't good for us, and we got a membership and we never used it. And today I'm here to say that I was entirely wrong about that. Before I tell you why, let me tell you what harvest hose is if you're new. Really quick, harvest hose is a membership program for RVers where you pay a small fee per year. I think I paid less than $50 for the basic plan. And then they give you access to a database of wineries, museums, farms like this one, and even golf clubs around the entire country. You can stay for one, sometimes 2 nights for free. They just ask that you support the business by maybe buying a bottle of wine if you're at a winery or something like that. So I decided to give harvest hose a second try and headed out to Lancaster to a farm. My kids were at their grandparents', which is maybe 15 minutes away from this farm. And I was here. Here comes my little boy.
Can you go potty?
Yeah, you can go potty. Go ahead. While he does his business. I finished telling you. I came to the farm, the kids were at their grandparents'. I said, well, I just traveled a little bit early to go pick them up. And wow, I was blown away. What a beautiful farm. This is Barefoot Acres in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And what a beautiful, beautiful place. The first thing that I was really impressed about and happy about. What are you doing, sweetie? Interruption number 2. You can sit here with me if you want. Isn't this place so beautiful? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the first thing that I was pleasantly surprised was the people. Anna and Claire, the owners of this place, were just amazing. Humble, simple, honest people. They show us where to park. They showed me, because it was just me yesterday, where to park. Super open fields. I am right next to the orchard, so behind my trailer there is this big field of apples and peaches, and it doesn't get better than this. It really doesn't get better than this. We are really exploring the country. This is what RVing is meant to be. Not only going to glamping places like most of the campgrounds that we review. So I admit it, I was entirely wrong about harvest hose. What do you like about here?
I like that our camper is right in front of like all the animals. There's chickens, there's goat, and there's potbelly pigs, and one of them just had babies.
You should know that when you come to a harvest hose location, you need to provide your own water and your own electricity. We have our generator here, which we are allowed to use by the owners of the farm. We also have our battery power station. Another thing that happened that was kind of like really nice family moment, your grandparents came to bring you this morning, and we ended up setting up a little mat outside the van, playing cards and family games.
Yeah,
so
playing the card games like Skip On, you know.
Yeah.
I need you to save me. I need you to open up my eyes. I need you to shake me. I need you to
So right now we are behind Bird in Hand restaurant. Um, Behind the restaurant, there is a mini golf, ice cream. There is a petting zoo right behind me, and there is this little pond where you can buy food for the fish, and it's almost overwhelming the amount of fish and the size of the fish that you see here. This is really close to the campground, only like 3 minutes. And in the opposite way, the opposite direction from the farm, maybe 3-4 minutes too, is Kitchen Kettle Village. You can go shopping there, you can go to restaurants. There is a little market and a butcher shop that they have really good cuts there. We go there sometimes. So this farm is in the heart of the best part of Lancaster area. I got to meet Claire and Anna. They are the managers of the farm, and wow, what a beautiful, beautiful couple. When I was talking with them, like, there's no way you can profit from this. Why do you do this? Why do you allow families like us to just come and crash at your place? And they say that they just enjoy having people come over and enjoy their land, enjoy the views, and their answer was just so genuine and simple and humble that it really touched my heart. You just don't come across people and families like that often. So that's what we have for you today. Short video. Me, Eli, and RV East Coast, we officially take it back. Harvest Host, thumbs up. We really like the system, the place. I think we're gonna do it again. That's what we have for you today.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
She's a professional. Did you see that delivery? All right, guys. See you later.